This is a big week for big cap earnings, and it ends the week with a lot of big names that you know. Some of them don't have the best charts out there though, but I went through everything to see who's good, who's bad, who has the good track records, and I'm bringing them to you right now. So let's dive right in. First company is Citizens Financial Group, and yeah, this is one of the cheater ones because their track record only goes back to 2014, but they beat every quarter, so I'm liking it. But as you can see in 2017, that has been a real roller coaster ride, even with those beats. Let's see if another beat can propel these shares higher. Then we're going to get into some big name companies that you all know, like GE. We all know the story with this. It's been in the news. Yes, they beat every quarter for over 5 years now, but that hasn't made any difference because those shares are at multi-year lows, and it doesn't look like it's going to improve anytime soon. So investor sentiment, Wall Street sentiments really turned against General Electric here, but it'll be interesting to see what they say and what their turnaround plan is going to be. Then we're going to get another big name. Chart doesn't look quite as bad as what GE's was looking like, but we got Procter & Gamble with just one miss back in 2014. So they too have a great track record, but shares are on the rise here. You know, it's been pretty choppy. It hasn't been the straight on up like we've seen with a lot of companies, but it's looking at those highs, those 5-year highs, and maybe another beat here if it gets it and gets good guidance could get you there. But this is one a lot of people are going to be watching. Then we're going to have what is the best chart of the big industrials, I think, and that's Honeywell. I've talked about them many quarters in a row here. They have the great track record, just that one miss in 2016. That's going back through 2014, but I know they haven't missed before that either. So shares are at these 5-year highs. They're going to split off the company and spin it off into a couple smaller entities, but it hasn't hurt the stock up until this point. And this is definitely one, if you're interested in the whole industrial side, that you keep an eye on and listen in on this conference call to see what's going on over there. Then we're going to have the oil side, and yeah, they've got a great track record too, Schlumberger, with just that one miss in 2016. But those shares are going to move with Crude, and Crude isn't really doing much in 2017. Everyone expected to be up near $60 by now, and it's not. Now, some people are saying it might go down to 35, even 40. So far, that hasn't happened yet either, but the shares are pretty weak here, even with this good track record. But this is one to definitely tune in on and kind of see what's happening with the drilling scene and oil services in general, because this is an area that's really struggled in the market. As you can see, not all charts are the same, even with those earnings beats. So the beat doesn't necessarily get you the big boost and the all-time high, but if you're playing the earnings misses and beats, these are the ones you want to be watching because they do have the great track record of beating. And if you're interested in the options play, which I'm not covering here, but my colleague Dave Bartosiak is, so be sure to tune in over on Zach's Live Trader. It's on YouTube, and you can check out all the options trades every week during this earnings season. He's covering the hottest ones, even the ones without the best charts like I cover, but all the big names he's going to be covering over there, and it's free. So if you're interested in those trades, he'll take you through it. He takes you through it live, but you can also watch the videos if you can't capture it live, and subscribe over there on Zach's Live Trader on YouTube to get all of the options trades all throughout earnings season, because he's going to be covering a lot of them, and I know a lot of you interested in those trades as well. So be sure to tune in here at Zach's. We're covering everything on the earnings front, including the earnings calendar, these earnings misses beats, we've got the earnings charts, we've got the options trade. We're going to be here all earnings season long. Be sure to tune in.